Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am super excited to unbox this one. This is a budget-friendly canvas. This wonderful canvas, I found it at Target. Plot twist. I'm kind of glad that Target is starting to get into the whole diamond painting game. I purchased this with my own funds. I was at Target, just picking up some items I needed. I passed by the little craft area and I saw a small line of diamond paintings just hanging there. And I saw this one and fell in love with it, mostly because I love the blues. Started kind of investigating it, really kind of looking it up. It's a partial and it's a nice little sky. And it was the only one, so I knew I had to pick it up. They're wonderful. I believe it's their own in-house brand. It's called Mondo Llama. Love that name. And they call it a gem by number kit. And it says here, gem tray, setting tool, and more included. It says here, it only makes one painting, I would assume. It says one kit. And the box is really sturdy. Big fan of that. And if you're curious if maybe this one you're interested in, or way other ones that they have available, they just have them hanging in the little craft area, as you can see. And in the back, it shows pretty much what the image is going to look like. It's a beautiful kind of, it made me think of the Northern Lights. Of course, blue. Neato thing, it shows you what the color of the diamonds are going to look like. It says here, it's 19 gemstone packets, a tray, a jewel setter, which I believe is the pen, wax putty square, gem art sheet, and instruction sheet. And it says here, make with Mondo Llama at Target.com. And I don't know what's in here. I've never opened one. I've never seen one. I just had heard the rumors that Target has some that are some diamond paintings in store. It's really cool. It says prep it, load the gem tool with adhesive from the sheet, and then stick it. Match the gems and numbers to finish. That's pretty much it, isn't it? So let's get everything out of the box really quickly. Also, because I want to see what the kit looks like. Ooh. And if it's as small a number as the box describes, then I can whip this one up really quick. Mostly so I can have a completion. And mostly because I want to see how the canvas feels. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Yeah, I was correct. It's partial. You can see all the little white areas. That's where the diamonds will be. As kind of a standard kit, which I really like, which includes the little tray, the little square of wax, and your standard pink pen with a multi-placer of 3. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, all you would do is get the pen, press it on the wax. Once you pour the diamonds in the tray, press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. I love that it includes this little standard kit. Really useful for anyone, especially if they're new to the craft. And little diamonds in these little packets. It doesn't have DMC numbers. It just has the numbers corresponding, believe, to the symbols. As you can see, 1A, 1B, and it just says Galaxy. It's a DMC number, right? It includes a little pamphlet as well. Let's open it and check it out. I don't think it's that fancy that I would get label sheets, but that's okay. Some of these more budget-friendly canvases, I base it off of the numbers on the legend. Oh, that is so neat. It lets you know everything that's in the canvas. Oh, that's cool. A little color guide of, well, all the different colors. And the legend, yeah, corresponds to it. So it's pretty much the alphabet, A to Y. There's no symbols or anything. So really simple, especially for a new crafter for diamond painting. Oh, and it shows you how to press it on the wax and all the steps on how to include it or how to work on it. You can see this is really neat. I really like this. I wish this was around when I started painting. So let me move this aside. Let's look at the canvas really quick. Canvas is a really sturdy material. As I said, it's a budget friendly. I can see why it's like that. You can see the beautiful blue sky, wonderful kind of trees in the bottom. Oh, apologies. Sorry for that. Give me one moment. Okay, sorry about that. I'm near windows. Sometimes a lot of traffic and all of that makes noise. And ooh, as you can see, the dark section all the way to the top. I really wanted to pick this one because blue is my favorite color. And I just love how the effect will be with all the blue. So as you can see, the white section is where we're going to paint. Everything else, there's no stick. But here's what the stick is like. Ooh, that is really nice and strong. I like that. I don't have to worry about diamonds falling off. The plastic is a little really thin to my liking, but it does the job. It does cover it. Really like it. The neato thing I love that they included are the legends on the side. They're really small, as you can see, but it shows all 19 colors and their symbols. Oh, apologies for the scratchy noise. And they have it on the bottom right. So the top left, the bottom right. At the bottom, it just lets you know target, the identifier for the canvas, and all this other information might be information for when they were printing and stocking up the canvas. I really like that. The neat thing I also caught, and I'm wondering if it's on the drill field too. I don't think so. I'm just making sure. All of the spots are round. They are a circle, and they do have a little dark lining around it, which is really useful to make sure placement is straight. The reason that I really wanted to check is the legend. So, on the legend, you can see the symbols are in squares. So you can see A, B, and so forth. I was worried that it means that the drill fields are in squares too. No, I think it's just for you to spot them when they were organizing them. And you can see here, they're not in numerical order. Apologies, they are, but the symbols are in alphabet. When I kit this one up, I think I'm just going to do the standard numerical order, which I am going to kit this one up pretty well, probably today or tomorrow, because I really want to work on it. And it's a quick partial. I was like, trying to see all the blues. This is the wonderful packet of the diamonds. Ooh, I love that they're just the little packets, sealed packets, so you know everything organized. And as I stated, same numerical order as the legend. Let me see if I can get it open. Oh my goodness, it is really sealed. Oh, perfect, got it. Apology to the crinkly noise. Showing you all diamonds. Get everything out. Oh my goodness, there's so many blues. This is such a beautiful cinnamon roll. You can see beautiful teals, some purple, really light blue. Ooh, I haven't held a small packet of diamonds in a while. I was expecting it to have weight, but I like that it's not that heavy. Oh, yeah. You can see, let's go through them real quickly. As you can see, 1A, 1B, which is the symbols on the legend. Wonderful blue tones. Nice, wonderful green. I love the random. I love all the blues. No different colors. I thought maybe I have more in one pocket. No different hues of blue. Ooh, lovely dark blue. Really neat. The teal. Oh, I love all the teals. Teals is also one of my favorite colors. I look in diamond. The diamond does some shine, so I'm a big fan of that. Geez, for the earring, there's some, the neighbors are getting home, so I'm sure they did it. Ooh, that's so mint. It's so pretty. I really love these colors. I'm gonna put these there real quick. There's no purple diamond. They're just standard colors, which I'm okay with because it's really budget friendly. I wasn't expecting any special diamonds, but oh my goodness, this is such neat potatoes. I actually want to spawn on it. I put it up. I'm sure I'm gonna record it because it's gonna be really quick. We'll post an update of how it's coming out once it's done working. But there's no name other than the name that galaxy on the colors and on the back, I believe. I can't even hit the name. It doesn't. Sorry about that. As I was stating, yeah, you'll spot them when you go through the store. When you go through Target and you go in the craft area, you'll see them just hanging on the wall. So you'll be able to locate it if this specific image is the one you like. And they had so many different ones. I saw they had a dog. They had several other animals. They had another landscape one with flowers, but the sky one just won me over. I just really wanted to do it. I'll see if there's a link for it. And if there is, I'll put it in the description below. I believe they might sell it online, but if not, I'll just direct you to the Target website. And I am not affiliated or anything with Target. I just purchased it on my own. So just wanted to clarify it because every time I do unboxings, I always sound like an affiliate or a connection or something. And yeah, I really love this canvas. So again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps with the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, budget friendly and all. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.